Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you what's the best Christmas product buy and sell, and even you can customize that by using Etsy platform. So let's get into it. Let's get started. So first, you all need to do is go on Google and type Etsy.com. You once you're done, you will see a landing page like this. This is officially a platform. It's easy. You can buy and sell different products like personalized gift, home decor, clothing, jewelry, furniture on sale. So now in this video I'm gonna show you the best ever Christmas product you can just buy and sell. So you will see a search bar over there. Just simply click on Christmas decorations. So now you will see a lot of different products. It's 50% off, it's 15% off, you will see a different varieties, and you will see that deadline is not a free delivery. It's still and only 4 hours and sale and 7 hours. You will see a difference, varieties, different products over here. Now let me just show you one of these. This one, this is only $8.91 for personalized first Christmas Portland animal. Just simply click on that. Now you will see you can simply, if you want to buy this one, you just simply select an option, select a color with that, customize your design and just add to your basket and go to your shipping products and payment method. Now let me just take a look at that. You will see a different reviews. Absolutely love this item, exactly expected and such a lovely touch outry. So once you see all the reviews, I think it's gonna be product. Let me just go back. Let me see different products over there and a lot of different products. You can just simply go with that platform. You can just simply buy and sell different products for Christmas. Now and this is, here we go, Santa annual. Oh my god, it seems amazing. It's only $5.30, and there we go. I also have a lot of great reviews. So this is how you can go with that platform called Say. You can just simply go on Google and type this on. Just you will see a lot of different products that belongs to Christmas. So make sure you subscribe this channel if you like that video, and I will catch you on the next video. Thank you.